If your Namecheap private email is not receiving messages, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is a common issue, and most of the time it comes down to your MX records, your mailbox status, or whether the problem is happening in Namecheap Webmail versus a third-party app like Outlook or Gmail. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to check everything properly so you can start receiving emails again. If this guide helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the domain list and find the domain that's connected to your private email service. Click Manage next to that domain to open the domain settings. Now select the Advanced DNS tab. This is where you'll find the records that control where your email is delivered. Scroll down until you locate your MX records. MX records tell the internet which mail server should receive email for your domain, so if these are wrong, your messages may not arrive at all. Here's what you want to check. Your MX records should point to Namecheap's mail servers. Make sure they are set to mx1.privateemail.com, mx2.privateemail.com, and mx3.privateemail.com. In some cases, Namecheap also lets you use the mail setting dropdown and choose Namecheap private email, which automatically applies the correct settings for you. If you are using an external DNS manager like Cloudflare, this part is especially important. Make sure the host or name field for the MX records is set to 8sat. That tells the system the records apply to your main domain. If this is set incorrectly, email delivery can break even if the server names look right. After you confirm the MX records, double check that there are no old or conflicting MX entries still active. If you see records pointing to another provider, that can cause delivery issues. In that case, remove the incorrect ones so only the proper Namecheap private email records remain. Next, go back to your Namecheap dashboard and open the private email menu. Here, verify that your subscription is active and that the mailbox is not locked. If the plan has expired, been suspended, or is otherwise unavailable, your messages may not be delivered correctly. Now comes an important troubleshooting step. Log directly into private email Webmail using your full email address and password. This helps you figure out where the problem is happening. If emails show up in Webmail, then your Namecheap email service is working, and the issue is likely with a third-party email app like Outlook or Gmail. If nothing arrives in Webmail either, then the issue is more likely related to DNS, mailbox status, or forwarding settings. If you do see mail in Webmail but not in your email app, you may need to recheck your account settings in that app, including the incoming server, username, password, and port settings. Sometimes simply removing and re-adding the mailbox fixes the sync issue. Once you've made your changes, give DNS some time to propagate. Depending on your setup, it may take a little while before everything updates across the internet. After that, send a test email to your Namecheap address and check whether it arrives. So to recap, the main things to fix are the MX records, the host field, the private email subscription status, and whether mail arrives in Webmail versus an email client. These checks solve most Namecheap private email receiving issues. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.